In case you be given this dimming of energy, chances are you will surely go with the flow with it and permit things to be as they are. However, when you withstand or conflict to cope with the dimming of power, it is able to reason a number of resistance. Regularly, the astrological sign that Mars is retrograding through will also reveal who may experience the dimming power most strongly. When Mars is retrograde, it is crucial to nourish and allow the strength of the basis chakra to rest. Which means something happened at some stage in Mars retrograde will become illuminated. Any harm will become illuminated, and any rest and healing can even end up illuminated. As Mars begins to turn direct, it is very crucial to observe your health and appearance after yourself on a bodily degree. It's also essential to be aware about any anger, frustration, or resentment you will be wearing around. When using the crystal, location it for your pelvis place and take 5 deep breaths. Sense the breath transferring all of the way down to the pit of your belly and out once more. Believe in the strength of the crystal melting into your root chakra location. Some other amazing way to fix the balance for your root chakra is to ground yourself. This is very simple and includes walking at the grace for 15 or 20 minutes. This helps to reconnect your vibration with the earth and can be very recuperation. Spending time in nature is also a great way to fix your root chakra as nicely. Eating correctly and exercise is always a great idea, but it will become more important when Mars power is moving and changing. Pay attention to your physical body and nourish it with clean, natural foods and lots of water. Exercising and getting your heart rate up is likewise a great way to assist push stagnant energy out of the body. Scheduling checkups and doctor visits are also great during this time, especially if a physical sickness offers itself. We will all sense this manifesting differently depending on where we are in our lives. But as Mars begins to move out of retrograde, it becomes even more important to tune into the health of the basis chakra.